Okay everyone, so I'm sitting here in front of our Pathfinder embroidery machine. Per discussed in the previous video, I just wanted to show you quickly how you're going to get the design from your flash drive. This is the one I used. We have these for sale too. They're pretty cute. They've got the black pony, we've got some other colored ponies, and then we have like a dress design. So if you're looking for a nice cute flash drive, they're available. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert this here on the side of the port, which is located on the right side of all of our baby lock machines. Looks like his beak, or his beak, his nose is pointed up. And then now we're ready to select it on the screen. So I usually do embroidery edit on this model at least, so I can do some more editing capabilities. I'm going to go to my USB icon. And like I showed you in the previous video, here is that "'Tis the Season to be Freezing" design pulled up and ready to be embroidered. Alright. I can hit set. I could edit or change things. I'm not going to today. And at this point, once the foot's down and my hoop would be installed, I'd be ready to go. Okay. So not much else on the machine side of things. You do want to make sure this is inserted for the whole time of the embroidery design. Let's just say we fast forwarded and we've already completed this design. When you're back at the home screen, that's when you're safe to go ahead and pull this out. Alright, I just want to point to a couple others where we've got the same port on the Aventura, on the Verve. Let's see, what other machines do we have here? We're up at the Education Event Center today. The Altair, have that here on the side. You can also direct connect to your computer if that's something you're interested in doing. Ask me about that. That's your foot control port. And then on the Aerial, the same 3 ports. Alright. Meridian, which is the modern day embroidery only Destiny for those of you that haven't heard about it yet. Really cool, you just embroider with it. And then our Solaris, which we actually have our teal or turquoise pony already in there. Jazzy's working on something over here, so I won't mess with that. So if you guys have any more questions, just let me know. Happy to help. I wanted to show you how you can take, like this Urban Threads design that we downloaded, and we're able to stitch out. So you're not limited by what's in the machine, although there are a lot of great designs there. This is a nice way to continue to find new designs and experiment with those. Thanks, and I appreciate you guys watching, and let me know if you like this video. Bye.